welcome back to Ask the Instamom. Today I'm with my daughter Ashton.
Hi. Hi.
And we are going to be doing a 5-minute ponytail. It is so easy, you can even do it on your own hair. And we're going to be starting with your hair just parted naturally. We're going to be taking a crown section, which is just on the top of the head where you would wear a crown. We're going to loosely take a section just on this top part. You're going to take your first ponytail holder or elastic, and now instead of doing it right next to the head, you're going to take it out about a couple inches so it's loose. You're going to part it through the middle, and you're going to flip over the top and under. Now, you're going to start tightening it just a little bit. You're going to take your next section just below the ears on each side, and it's going to wrap around the top piece right here. Now you're going to take your second elastic, and remember, same with the last one, you're going to do it about 2 inches from the head. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to flip it through the middle, over the top, and underneath. Now, once you have that, we're going to start tightening it just a little bit. And then you're going to take your last section, which is this bottom piece that you left out. You're going to split it into two. It's going to go over the top of the last pieces. You're going to take your third elastic. You're going to tie that off. You're going to go up and around over just like your other ones. Then you're going to just tighten it as you want. And then you're all done. I hope you learned something and have fun with it.